How to add a recovery email to your Gmail account. Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video. If you want to add a recovery email to your Gmail account but you don't know how to do it, watch this video till the end and you will find out. So to begin with, you need to open your Gmail. The next thing you need to do is to tap on your profile. Once you tap on the profile, you need to select the account that you want to add a recovery email to. Once you choose that account, you need to tap on manage your Google account. So once you tap on manage your Google account, it will bring you here. From this menu, when you scroll a bit to the right of the screen, you will find security. You need to tap on security, and here you need to scroll down where you will find recovery phone and recovery email. So you need to tap on the recovery email. Once you tap here, it will ask you to verify yourself, so you can use the fingerprints, you can use the pattern of your phone if you enable that one, or you need to enter the password. So I will verify myself by using the fingerprint, and then it will bring me here. From here, you need to enter your recovery email. So guys, once you type in your email address is a recovery email, then you need to tap on verify. So once you tap on verify, they say we sent a code to that email address. You need to go to your inbox and find that code and copy it and paste it here. So I will go and find that code. So guys, as you can see, I received this code. All I need to do is to copy that one, and then I will go here and paste that code here. Once you paste the code, you need to tap on verify. And once you tap on verify, they say your email has been verified. So if I go back, so guys, as you can see, now I added a recovery email here, and this is it. This is how you can add a recovery email to your Google account. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.